Linking your bank to Zeta is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Download the Zeta app. Begin by downloading the Zeta app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Step 2. Navigate to bank linking. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select your bank. You will be prompted to choose your bank from a list of supported institutions. Scroll through the list or use the search feature to find your bank. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Once you select your bank, you will need to enter your bank account details. This typically includes your account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid linking issues. Step 5. Verify your account. After entering your bank details, Zeta may require you to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Zeta into your bank account or using your bank's online banking credentials. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Zeta. You can now enjoy seamless transactions and better financial management.